What's up everyone, Scarlett here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take off a starter on a 2013 Honda Accord LX. And what you want to do is start off by disconnecting the disconnecting the battery, and you are going to be jacking up your car on both sides so you have enough room to work under. And then we are going to be needing a 12 socket and a, let's see what this is, a 14 socket, some ratchets, some extensions long and short, and either a screwdriver, small screwdriver, flathead, or a pick. I'm using a pick. Excuse my daughter in the background. Just so you can take the wires off on this little piece right here, which the
Mommy, you done?
Not yet, Mama. Which this positive cable connects over here. And you're gonna have to take off the little nut, which is a 12 to the positive side, and disconnect this other wire over here. And
Mommy.
all right, and then you're gonna be taking off the bolt right here, and then there's one up above behind there. They are both a size 14, as I mentioned, and I'm going to be using an electric ratchet. Hopefully it'll zip it out, and then we can pull the starter out. I'm just going to loosen that for a little bit, and then I'm going to try and get the top one. Let me set it up first. Alright, so the top one I had to crack loose with a short ratchet and a long socket, and I'm able to take it off. Now I'll take the top one off, and then I'll take the bottom one off last, so it's a little bit easier to hold. Alrighty, I got that top bolt off. Now let me just completely take this bottom one off. Let me get this extension back on this electric ratchet. Okay. Alrighty, so I finally got it out. Okay. Alright, if I didn't mention before, there's a bracket that goes here. And there's one bolt and 2 nuts, but one of the nuts came out with the stud. So you'll need that out of your way to give you a little more room. And then let's put the new starter in. Okay. Now, alrighty, so I'm gonna quickly match up these starters just to make sure that they are all looking the same and whatnot. You don't want to put in a starter that doesn't belong on there. Alrighty, they seem to look fab. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of grease. You can use anti-seize if you have anti-seize. just so it's easier to take off the bolts and nuts or whatever. next time. Alrighty, let me fix this light over here. I need some more light. Let's see. There we go. Alright. Time to put this little baby back on. Alright. Going in. Okay. Let's get this bottom bolt on. Let's see. Where's my extension? Alright. Alright, once you got a hand started, now I can tighten this up, but not all the way, because I still got to put the top. Oops. Okay. Okay. Now I can, let's see.
Hold on, I'm gonna make the seat pop.
Alrighty. Now I'm gonna connect these wires back on. So this one is connected here. This. Put a okay. Put our nuts in. Easier if you probably put the nut on the socket. Oh man, came off again. All right.
Watch where you're going, you're not here. Okay, go.
Okay. Let me grab my pick to adjust this rubber over here. Okay. Got our night. Now, last but not least, yogurt. Okay, so we got our starter in. We gotta put these back.
Go.
Right.
Mommy, we go in there. We go in there, please.
Alright guys, hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.